research on YouTube has many applications. In this particular application, we're going to be hack sawing 2x4s in mass using top clamping and horizontal clamping. It can be run in program mode, which is a pattern or a cut list, or it can be run as a single position as a stop. In this case, we're going to run a cut list, and there will be 6 2x4s cut at one time, and each 2x4 will be programmed in at 10 inches in length. So in order to accomplish this, the first thing I do is press list. Then I select my number. I'm going to select cut list 1. It holds up to 99, and I press start. And I want to reset the list since last time I ran it. And my stock length is 97 inches or 8-foot 2x4s. And I press start, and it moves to the loading position. Okay, I'm getting ready to load the material into the machine. Six 2x4s. Prior to running the machine, I start the saw blade. Now, in order to start the cut cycle, I can press the start button, or I can use the remote foot pedal down here. I hit it one time, the cycle will start. If during the cutting cycle I see a problem, I can easily pause the cycle by pressing the foot pedal one time, or by pressing the start button one time to put it in pause. To resume, just strictly hit it again. Okay, here we go. This time we're going to run a program called a pattern, which is a predetermined sequence of dimensions, unlike the other cut list, which was just mass production of the same size. In this case, I programmed sequence number 91, and I'm going to get a 37-inch piece, a 19-inch piece, a 37 piece, and then waste will come out last. So in order to start, I'll load the machine first. We're ready to go. I'm going to press start. After running these two programs, we have shown the maximum capacities of the machine. If you would like to run a single 2x4 or 2 or 3, it's easily accomplished by loosening the clamps and adjusting them into a new clamping pressure position. You loosen the handle and dial it in, and now that'll accommodate, let's say, 2 2x4s at a time versus the maximum capacity which we just demonstrated of 6. This knob here is adjustable. This is your blade height for cutting materials. In this case, we're going to operate a 4-inch cut. We bring it up to 4 inches, and we have a 5-inch cut maximum on this machine. Just snug it up, and that sets the blade height. We have a air control system on off that allows us to shut the control system off. Emergency stop, which is linked in with the machine and the Tiger stop integration. This shows that there is power to the machine to make the saw run. Saw start button and saw stop button. In order to change the saw blade, you must take the 17mm wrench and remove the safety installed locking bolt completely. Then take the panel key, safety panel key, and open the latch, and that will gain access to the saw door. As you can see, it's the maximum size saw blade. Smaller saw blades are available. And place the unlocking wrench on the arbor, and you can then loosen the nut to exchange the blade. To put it back into service, follow the reverse order. In the event of an emergency stop with the machine, all machine function stops from Tiger Stop and Northtech. And in order to reset it, you must reset the emergency, and then you must confirm reset of the emergency on the other side. And then we go around to the controller and we press the Tiger Stop safety reset. Once that's accomplished, the Tiger can be re-homed and it will be re-ready to run without any changes.